Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai, brings you the Salesian news across the globe. In 2024, the Salesians of Don Bosco will celebrate the centenary of their arrival and the beginning of the presence in Slovakia. The Salesian community therefore considers this 2024 as the year of gratitude, in which it wants to celebrate and commemorate its centenary presence with a series of events. And as a starting date, there could be nothing better than 8th January, the actual day of the death and the liturgical commemoration of the Slovakian Salesian Blessed Father Titus Zeman. The Year of Gratitude began with a Eucharistic celebration broadcast live on the National Catholic Television channel TVLUX in the Church of the Virgin Mary of Seven Sorrows in Vagnori, the birthplace of Father Zeman. From 3rd to 5th January, the meeting of the adolescents of the Salesian Youth Movement SYM of the Cian Province of Italy, Sicily ISI was held at the Wave Hotel in Acroril. It was an event eagerly awaited upon by the young Salesian animators. Among the topics addressed and the opportunities provided for spiritual growth, there was also enough time for building new friendships. The meeting was punctuated with many moments of fun and fraternity, listening to various testimonies of faith with moments of reflection and group sharing, confrontation and self-knowledge. The annual pastoral proposal is focused on the Strena, the dream, and the regional SYM Council chose to focus on it during the meeting. Italian Vice Premier and Foreign Minister Antonio Tajani and the Minister for University Education Anna Maria Berini visited the town of Forlì city in Emilia-Romagna, northern Italy on Friday 12th January to get to know some of the city's excellences, and certainly they could not miss out the Don Bosco Salesian Institute in Via Episcopio Vecchio. On the occasion, the two ministers also had a dialogue with the young students of the Salesian Presence, which was also attended by Father Roberto Dal Molin, National President of Salesian Association for Social Promotion. The 29th Provincial Chapter of the Salesian Province of India, Chennai, INM, opened in the late afternoon of 14 January. Archbishop George Anthony Sami, Archbishop of Madras Melapore, opened the provincial chapter with a solemn mass. Immediately afterwards, Don Bosco Ludu Sami, INM Provincial, welcomed the 123 chapter members, urging them to seize this propitious moment to reflect, renew and rejoice. Father Ludu Sami then illustrated the theme of Strena 2024, inviting members to make it the essence of the entire Salesian journey. Some representatives of the Salesian family were also rewarded during the inaugural ceremony, each of them sharing brief messages with chapter members. The Salesians of the Salesian Vice Province Mary Help of Christians of Malta MLT met last 13th of January at the Savio Institute in Dingley to participate in one of the meetings held as part of a process of discernment on the life of the Vice Province. The meeting focused on community life, in particular on life of communion. This discernment process is led by Professor Edward Warrington, an expert in leading groups and individuals in discernment processes and spiritual exercises in the style of Saint Ignatius of Loyola. The professor's method, explained the Salesians of Malta, is close to what Don Bosco himself must have experienced for many years at the sanctuary of San Ignacio Sopralanzo. This process and these meetings are destined to then flow into the provincial chapter, which will be held at the end of May 2024. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.